welcome to Thai Akha Kitchen, okay? You will learn 10 plus 1 dishes. So, first, take a look on the menus. You have to pick some dishes. So you're gonna do 2 appetizer, 2 dessert. Each of you have to pick 1 curry. Okay, red and green, they are classics and original Thai curry. You're gonna see the soup. Okay, we have 3 different soup. Next, stir fry. They have 4 options for you. Each person has to pick 1. So we're gonna try 3 Akha dishes today because you're in Thai Akha Kitchen. Now I hope you guys enjoy the class. I hope you can go back home and repeat the cooking. Welcome. Thank you.